Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing gear and launching the app. Plug into speakers or pair Bluetooth so sound routes correctly, and make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Once done, open your chosen karaoke app or a playlist and sign in so your saved tracks and settings are available. You should select a low-latency audio output in the app or iPhone settings. This reduces echo. Make that first song cue and get ready to adjust volume quickly. You now handle microphones and mix. Plug a wired mic using the Lightning adapter or connect a Bluetooth mic and mute the iPhone's built-in mic to avoid feedback. Next, set vocal and backing track levels inside the app, make them balanced so you hear the track but your voice cuts through. Test with a short phrase and tweak. Once done, enable lyrics view and any sync delay options to align words with audio. This ensures clear vocals and readable lyrics during performance. You finish by recording and sharing. Use the app's built-in record feature or start iPhone screen recording with the external mic selected, then stop and trim the clip in Photos. Once satisfied, share via AirDrop, cloud, or social apps. Make sure privacy settings allow microphone use. If audio has lag or echo, troubleshoot by lowering Bluetooth buffer settings, disabling audio effects, or switching to a wired mic connection. This typically removes latency. If problems persist, restart the app and repair devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.